Now, due to YouTube law, I really can't show you this violent part, you know, like really violent, believe me, because the man took a knife and he punched this man you see in the white right here that's bleeding out. You know what I'm saying? So, if you want the full link, you have to contact the skiller to see the full video. Now, the man we see in the yellow, the one at front, you know, the one that's on the extreme right, not the one in the yellow shirt at the left, but the one at the right. He's the one that did the damage, you know, with the knife or high stick or whatsoever weapon he used, you know. And the thing about it is that these men come to enjoy themselves at a party, you know what I say, and them bring weapon to the party. You see what I say? We don't know what caused them for fight, you know, and we don't know if it's dance, the man a dance to the man woman, or the man say something bad to him. And he certainly couldn't step on him shoes, because you done see this is a boat ride party and it's not one of the exclusive thing, like, you know what I mean, people more likely to swim because they are near shore, you know, everybody know them shots. And so the point is that the man take the weapon and stab the man. And the point me I try to make, 2 points me I try to make here, so is one, why you have to bring weapon to party? You know me I said to you, yeah, you don't need that if you say you go a party, you see me? And but then again, sometimes it's like, you know, these people just move so messed up. It's like you feel like you have to defend yourself and all these things. You know me I said to you, this world is crazy, but weapon to party thing, you know. And number 2 now is the fact that these boat ride party kind of scares me. You're trapped, you're on a boat, people are war with all kind of weapon. You don't know if it turn worse, you know, if you're out in the ocean. Luckily this one is at shore. Really and truly, if me do boat ride party, it have to be exclusive, you know. Full security search everything, because me nah dip on a boat and feel trapped with all them kind of things, yeah. You know. And this is the things I want to point out to you, the viewers. You know, I want you, the viewers, to tell me if me wrong or if me right. Let me know your views, you understand? Don't be afraid to tell me what you think. Alright, just don't be too harsh, alright? And as always, click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.